and like say, listen, stop come over here with that shit. Bitch, come off of my page. Come off my page with that negative shit. It's like when you just hope for people be unhappy and sad to the point where you come on people life all the time with some assumptions that something is wrong with them. You don't know me and I don't fucking know you and I don't wish to know you. You're just a fucking groupie in my fucking comment section thinking that you fucking know something about me and you know something about me. Bitch, you don't know me. You don't have some kids to go and take care of. You don't have something to do. Stop come here and assume say something wrong with me. Because I'm not telling you my business. And you don't know nothing about me. It's getting annoying now. What the fuck you tell me for cheer up for? You know something about me big stinking girl? If people not fucking self-destruct, Jamaicans have a problem with them and them find every fucking thing to complain about. Every fucking thing on the find. When time people not talk and say no at all, you have an issue. When people are talking, you have an issue same way. Like, why the fuck you come from my life? Like, when I follow me up for? You not done suck out and take from me and tear me down. When you keep on a come from my shit for? Leave me alone now. You not take enough from me, leave me alone.
The kind of woman who needs a man that's always there. It's not that you require a lot, just need something to love again. Yeah. I give good love. I'll buy your clothes. I'll cook your dinner too. I get home from work, I'll pay your rent, your baseball too, baby. Soon as I get home from work, girl, I'll treat you right and I'll never lie. For all that it's worth, I give good sense. You should have a broken heart. If I were the only one, I'd never let you go. You're the kind of woman who needs a man.
What's going on over here though? Like, what's going on? It's so much fucking rain. There's so much fucking rain. I'm kind of stuck. I've been to buy an umbrella put in my car, but every time I buy it, I just forget. Like, I don't know how. Every single time I buy it, every single time I forget one umbrella. I don't know if it's just lack of effort. You ever just lack the effort forget something so important at that? An umbrella in my car is necessary and it's just a lack of fucking effort, bro. And this shit not gonna stop. So me either have to go stand up to this and just walk through it and go where I go. Or I don't know, cause me is like me what call it? My anti-umbrella. I don't know why I don't have one umbrella in my car, and every time I keep on I say the same thing, I don't buy one put in here. I don't understand that. I don't get it at all. Other lady with a big umbrella, they wonder. I know she out in the rain, see me. I forgot over there, go take it from her now. Why I don't have an umbrella? That's just bad. It's raining heavy in St. Vincent. Oh my God. Where is St. Vincent Island? St. Vincent close to Barbados? Just asking. Is it down there, so like you're going back to Trinidad side? That's crazy. It's a lot of rain. I haven't seen rainfall this much since the last flood, and I have somewhere to go. But the place that I'm going is not flood areas, but still, I remember how the flood did go on and how the flood did all my car. Like, I can't go back through that again. St. Vincent is between St. Lucia and Trinidad. Okay, good. Oh, down that side, that means they're close to like Barbados. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. I got somewhere, man. I'm supposed to be somewhere. I'm supposed to go about my business though. Okay, put this backside vehicle and smoke more there. But one thing I'm here about for my car and Wet Road is not friends. Some car and Wet Road will never be friends. Even though it's not good for speed on no kind of road with no kind of car still. Not good at all. That road and no car is friends. Oh. Very busy Sunday. Everybody have their umbrella except for me. Toughed me. Somebody bought a gift. A lot of people start buying gifts. That's nice. Every time it stop, it come down harder. I must have an umbrella that carry. You can't have them carrying an umbrella, but what kind of purpose means standing alive? No, so this is fucking nuts. Not one umbrella. I wonder if we have one umbrella in my trunk. I did have one umbrella one time, but you come like say me dash with umbrella them. It's like me throw away umbrella. I may have them style about me buy umbrella and dash them with a tree, you know. Cause if something might take up too much of my space, me'll definitely dash it away. And them habit they're not good at all. Alright. Okay.